Nyuma ya kunywa muumaji wa utungata ngavana Mutuma mtwithinkiani aitire ntumiri yawe ya mbere haria ekire mawira ni kathumba amwe na gwikira bunene akagwatithania Meru kenda etana mbere. Mutuma na ugite akambiria na kuriukia imwe ya mirandi ira yakwire na ne aguna mu Meru akioneka gukenerwa bunene ne ya Meru baria bokari kiathone kiu.
Tukwana rwa ngavana Mutuma ntoithinki nyuma ya kuthwanyuite muma nethirwa kita wirane atiwa kethwa tongire bwa uma na bakuthingatira mwingi.
With humility, I offer myself to you as a servant leader to offer good leadership, integrity in management of public affairs, transparency and accountability. No more corruption, witch hunting and procedural transfers and intimidation at workplace.
Amuna bubu kirirwa rwawe onekana muno agitigera mandu jegi okaria kiwa askari ba county barabara wa kuja mutino joka ngangi kuriogoti bachokunara bari meankene nikenda kurona wagagia na kinya kiwa bachokiru ngari
tugua rangers bachoke kabo benda mutindwa bengana na ngari mutindwa babwetie sesi mutindwa bayo kebundoki bagaria ngombe siezo ronde.
Undu jairi bro gite buthike oreo ni gutigira te makambajera ikitu jege mbundi wandikande na county Meru jere jagita itwo nikenda mbundi ji itana mbera ngugi yao.
I directed the county legal team to pursue the case and seek an expeditious out of court settlement with immediate effect to restore the credibility of the operations of the county public service board. Meru County Public Service Bond continue with immediate.
Amna bubu ngavana Mutuma noneke na gitokera mirandi iria yambitwe ni kiraitu.
MIS graduates will receive startup kits equipped with the tools they need to begin their own businesses, immediately creating over 1,000 jobs every year. We must give hope to our people. We shall operationalize the Cancer Act that was passed by the previous regime. Furthermore, in collaboration with Athletics Kenya, we will also revive the Mount Kenya Mountain Running Championship. Raise funds for cancer treatment.
Na nane mbango jo Meru jero gitene jitaju ndajo komekanya vukisha mbango jo tetheria kurba Meru kuona mbesha.
I'll be launching Rukisha. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Okubonda wa tukendra twena kagenda kae kuruka wetu Rukisha. Rukisha iko pamoja tu. Kwa habari tawa baikiare tu. That said, I will be launching Rukisha program, which is a socio-economic development program at the grassroots.
Akiwa manya bubu kemandu joremi akeja mbango jo kilimo pesa kutetheria arimi.
And my government is committed to implementing policies that will promote agriculture. To foster agribusiness, we will soon launch the Kilimo Pesa Mfukoni program aimed at promoting smart agriculture. And for dairy farmers, we will provide improved herd breeds and subsidized quality artificial insemination services to increase milk production.
Na babata buru nikuwa kagita kazi kiotongeria na ndiku ina dhiri na Meru baraba mite Meru pedebeshoka nikenda kulia Meru.
Today that the political understanding has come to an instant end. Atoibarare beko za makwa makai.
Muthuri Muriuki, Weru TV, Mutiri Njokangangi.